What we're gonna do, we're gonna order a curbside pickup.
Cool. We probably got the closest one is this one, so let's pop over to this one then.
Yeah.
All right, let's have a look at the menu. Maybe let's do, let's see what's on the offer. All right. Hot honey fry. Let's give that a go, eh?
Hey, sounds nice.
All right, so what are the choices? We've got 6-piece. Let's do the 6-piece.
This is 6-piece. We gotta watch out for our belly.
That's right. All right, cool. We'll do that, and maybe let's grab a drink as well.
Yeah. Can I get an orange juice for that?
All right.
Let's see what they have.
All right, we'll do maybe bottle. Cool. I think that's everything. So let's go and place the order. The 6-piece honey fried with a 600ml drink. Cool. Let's check out.
That.
All right, now I've got 77 cents on the account, so maybe I'll save 50 cents there. Let's slide it over. 51. All right, cool.
You haven't ordered enough, mate.
Not enough. No, I need to bump it up a little bit more.
So you can do credit card, PayPal, and Google Play. That's pretty good. All right, you've paid and getting the orders. Let's do it.
All right, fantastic.
And let me have a look. All right, so there's pickup options there.
So let's do curbside, yeah?
There's the curbside.
All right, and once we get over there, we're going to choose whichever bay number we're going to park into. Or maybe we say no bay and then we'll choose the color and give our license plate. Let's see how we go.
Yeah.
All right.
Black color. All right. So we've done a curbside pickup at Red Rooster Ross Hill, and it gives us the directories. You get the royalties as well. We've entered the details of the purchase and everything, and also we've entered our car details. So let's see if they're gonna be able to find us.
That's it. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so now we are going to the Red Rooster. See how it goes. Hey, the design of the site is pretty good as well. Did you work on the brand site UX design as well?
Yeah.
I think that was a different project, wasn't it? If I'm not mistaken, they're trying to merge because they had a separate brand website, which is the Red Rooster website on its own with some menus and stuff. But you, as a customer, you won't be able to order from that website, the brand website, right?
Yeah.
And retail or e-commerce website was separate, wasn't it?
So disconnected. It was probably a good idea at the time when they were setting everything up. They had their e-commerce website, they had the marketing site. When I reflect on what that meant for the customer experience and also for the business, for example, for the customer, if you hop onto the branding website, it looks nice and slick, really modern already, because it's a lot easier to update and maintain. But the problem is that you weren't able to choose, maybe look at an item and then progress straight through into the e-commerce site. The other challenge was that because they were disconnected, if you were looking at an item on the branding site, you clicked on that, let's say, I don't know, it showed you everything at every single store. You clicked that, I don't know, a breakfast burger or something that isn't offered at every single store. Then when you click through to the e-commerce site, you start ordering, you choose the location, and you look at the menu there, your item isn't there.
Yeah.
Then you're frustrated because it's like, I spent all this time already trying to figure out what I want to order. And then I need to go and almost start all over again
because you can just add it to the cart.
Exactly, yeah. And on that marketing site, you didn't have necessarily that filtering happening for the stores. So then the whole menu had to be displayed basically. So there were a couple of things like that from the customer experience that needed improvement. And apart from just the visuals and having a consistent looking website all the way through, operationally, the two were disconnected. So the conversion stats, understanding analytics of which customers clicked on where on the website and how do they progress to placing an order, all of that was disconnected. So when we started looking at that web analytics, we weren't able to piece together that whole journey necessarily, which now is possible because it's all on the one website and those tags are able to be seen all the way through. So that was some of the big things that we needed to address and really create a cohesive, seamless experience for the customer when they're placing those orders.
That was a good change that they've done, and I think it's a good thing that when a client really realized, like, hey, we do need to get all of this together, and internally their, I suppose, marketing team and operational team works together to try and make that happen. and understand that the necessary improvements in their user experience and valuing the user experience and service design, I think that works well.
100%. And it's made such a big difference. And already they're able to see the conversion stats. They're able to see, it's trying to understand what it was before to where it is now, but already just the improvement in the whole ordering flow, in the whole landing on the redrooster.com.au site through to being able to make your purchase. They're already seeing an uptick in the conversion in a sense, which is amazing because that's exactly what we wanted to do. The target's making sure that more customers are able to progress through to placing the order once they do start looking at other things like how do we increase the basket size as well, and what are the different things that we can do to improve that. And so we've implemented the first version of what good needed to look like, what was the most viable, or what were the features that are needed for this to be a viable solution. And we've got a range of other things that are hopefully coming in the near future, but one step at a time.